Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today, our topic name is questions and surveys handling data. The main topic is handling data. From that, again, there is another topic name is questions and surveys from page number 66. Okay. So, first of all, what is hypothesis? A guess based on knowledge and reason. Hypothesis means only guessing. Maybe it is possible, right or no? Maybe. If I ask you how many marks you got, sir, maybe I got the full marks. That is called hypothesis. Data. That given, the information is given to you. That is called data. Okay, like whenever I explain you, I write it on the board the answers. That means that is the information. That is called the data. Data collection sheet, a prepared sheet you can use for collecting data. Like I sent the course material, right? You can collect it all. Every day you print out, day by day you print out and keep it all together. That is called data collection. Okay. Prediction. Now if you predict something, you say what you think will happen. For example, looking at this sequence, what is this one? 4 7. That means how much is the difference? 3 is the difference. So 13 and 16. So what is after 16? 19. 19 and 20. That is called prediction. That means I know exactly. If I know the number, I know exactly. Like every day, what time we have a period, you know that exactly. That is called prediction. Okay. Now coming to the questions now. There are two teams. One is Alpha United and Beta Rovers. Each played 15 games during one season. How many? Alpha United played 15 games and Beta Rovers played 15 games. Alpha United scores 3 goals in 4 matches. 3 goals in 4 matches. Can you use the information above to answer the question which is the better soccer team, Alpha United or Beta Rovers? By looking directly this question, you not understand. Check it now. Suppose this is the Alpha United. I will explain why it is Alpha United and this is Beta Rovers. Okay. He is given to you Alpha United scores 3 goals in 4 matches. Look at here. This 3 goals. That means number of goals. Frequency means number of matches. This is number of matches. Okay. These are number of matches. So Alpha United scored 3 goals in 4 matches. That means they played 4 matches and they made 3 goals. But it is Beta Rovers. They made 3 goals in 5 matches. We already learned yesterday's class what is the tally. So this means what? This is 5. Right? And this is 3. This is also 3. And here is the 2. And here is the 5. And here is the 2. Okay. So you know that. So here is what? 5 matches in 3 goals. That means they played 5 matches and only they made 3 goals. But here 4 matches and 3 goals. So Alpha United is the best team. Suppose I give you to learn one question. I need to learn. I want you to ask you the one question. I give you 5 minutes. Okay. But one boy finish in explanation or reading all the things is finishing within 3 minutes. Other boy take 4 minutes the same question. So who is the best? Who takes the less time? So here also in 4 matches they made 3 goals, but here 5 matches 3 goals. So Alpha United is the best team. Okay. Now coming to the next question. There are 4 collections of data below to show the results for Alpha United and to show the results for Beta Rovers. So this is the bar chart and this is the pictogram. Yesterday I explained you pictogram. Okay. So look at the bar chart here. Number of goals. This is the number of goals and frequency means these are matches. Okay. These are is what? Matches. Remember. Number of goals. What is the remaining? Matches. So now here 0 goals in one match. 0 goals in one match. So look at here 0 goals one match. But here 0 goals in 3 matches. So if you understand one only, so that means this picture, that means A match with the C. Look at here, one match, one goal. This is the goal or not? So number of goals means one goal in 6 matches. So check it, one goal in 6 matches. Next one, 2 goals in 2 matches. 2 goals in 2 matches. This one, 3 goals in 4 matches. 3 goals in 4 matches. Next is 4 goals in 2 matches. 4 goals. So this one match with this one. Okay. Now this one, check it. He said that one football is equal to 2 matches. That means this is what? 3 matches or not? 2 plus 1 means 3 matches. This is also 3. This is 2. Here is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And here again 2. That means 0 goals in 3 matches. That means they played 3 matches. They didn't make it any goal. Again here 3 matches. Next time 1 goal. 2 matches, 2 goals. 2 matches, 2 goals. Here 5 matches and 3 goals. 2 matches in 4 goals. So that means B match with the D. I make it arrow here. Okay. Now look at the question. What was the highest number of goals? What was the highest number of goals scored in a match played by Alpha United? So what was the highest number of goals? Check it here. These are the goals or not? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the highest number of goals. So 4 goals. Okay. Next one. How many matches did Beta Rovers score 3 goals? So how many matches they played and they made 3 goals? 5 matches. So it is answer is 5 matches. Okay. Next one. Which team do you think was the better team? So just now I told you can compare here only. They played one match and no goals. So they played 3 matches, no goals. And compare this one only. Just we used for the question number 1. They played 4 matches and they made 3 goals. But here they played 5 matches and they made 3 goals only. Understand? Clear? So I hope you understand today's topic. If you don't have any, if you have any questions, you can ask me next class. Okay? So kindly practice the classwork properly. Today you don't have any homework because you need to practice properly bar graph and pictogram. Okay? Bye bye.